In today's tutorial, we will be creating this animation where the hot air balloon rises and drifts away using two animation styles. The second one will be where the hot air balloon drifts sideways using just one animation style. First, let's open a page. Go to Elements and type in Rocky Mountain Path. Let's adjust it to the page and duplicate it. We will then go up to Edit Photo and remove the background. Then we will use the brush to remove the parts that we do not want. You can toggle to see the original photo to help guide you. We can also change the size of the brush to do finer removal. For this photo, it does not have to be precise, and you will see in a while. Next, let's go up to Elements and type in Hot Air Balloon. We can choose this one that has the background already removed. We can go up to Position and then click Layers. Ensure that the tab with the hot air balloon is in the middle of the two images. Now let's duplicate the first page. Go to the first page and select the image of the hot air balloon and bring it down to about here. Then on the second page, click the image and bring it up to where you would like. If you cannot seem to select it, you can always do so from the Layers section. Go to the Transitions button and click it, select Match and Move. This is too fast, so we need to adjust the duration. Adjust the first page and then let's play it. That looks better. Let's now click on the hot air balloon image and click Animate. This will be the second animation style. We will choose Breathe. We can adjust the scale so that it looks like it is getting smaller as it moves away. We will play it now to see how it is. Let's look at it again. Next, we will try out another animation style. Duplicate the second slide. Make sure that there is no transitions, as this is different from the previous one. Let's look for a mountain background. Now duplicate it as before and remove the background. Just go up to Position and click the Layers tab. Ensure that the image of the hot air balloon is in the middle of the two images. Adjust the size to your liking. Now, with the balloon image selected, let's go to Animate. There are quite a few styles to choose from. Let's choose Drift and adjust the intensity. As you can see, it is drifting to the side. Let's play it and have a look at all the animation styles. If you liked this, please do like, share, and subscribe for more animation and transition tutorials. Thank you for watching.